my god, you need to stop unsubscribing to MLP fan. No. MLPCHU 492. Stop unsubscribing to MLPCHU 492. You need to stop. This is not funny. You need to stop. Yeah. Okay, I need to stop saying yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Okay, I need to stop saying yeah. Hey, why am I spelling wrong though? Here, they need to stop. You need to stop doing this. This isn't funny. Ugh. Please don't. Don't you dare unsubscribe. This isn't funny at all. You need to stop unsubscribing to MLPCHU 492, aka MLP Fan 492. You need to stop. This is not funny. So stop it.